my beautiful souls. It's Jody from Soft Soul Yoga. Hi. Oh gosh, I am so happy to be here and welcome. Let me get situated here. Well, I just made some delicious hot tea because I had a very stressful day. So let's get this fixed. Okay. Hi, everybody. Oh, I'm a little... All right. We're going to start off first with how the weather has been. I obviously am chilly, so I have my little cashmere shawl on because it's just been up and down this weather, and I'm just so happy to be here right now. And I am here and we're gonna chat a little bit and we're gonna get acquainted. And I just wanted to say that I am just really happy to be here in the present moment because God, I needed this. And I'm just gonna lower the fireplace a little bit. Hang on. Oh, that's the other one. Hang on. Okay. Just so I'm not talking over everyone or over the... So we have some candles going, and I wanted to do the class inside tonight just because I have just been feeling like a lot. I just needed to kind of be here to de-stress and bring down my anxiety and a little bit of stress that I have at work. But you know, always a hot cup of tea. Today we are drinking lavender honey, and this is linked in my Amazon, so I hope y'all are grabbing your teas. So let me just take a nice little sip. You can see the little smoke coming out of it. So it's piping hot. I don't even know if I could drink it right now. Ooh. Let's just see. Okay, wait. Yeah, it's hot. Very hot. Anyway, I miss you all. I have to chat a little bit. So I had a long day at work today. It was raining all day. So it didn't even bring in, you know, a lot of homeowners into my job. So it was a little slow, but we had a lot of emails and stuff like that. And I was at work very early, around 6:30, and then I get home and it's 4:30. And normally I start dinner, but I just wanted to get ready, take a shower, and be here because I just needed to do it for myself because I have so much going on right now. It's good, all is good, but you know, I think sometimes what happens is it just becomes like really overwhelming. So you're torn between on what to do first. And I feel calm right now, especially with the fireplace crackling in the background. I have my hot tea, I'm talking soft. And I think tonight's flow is just going to be an anti-stress release. I have a couple of new poses I'm gonna do. I am wearing tonight outfit of the day. This is from Joy Foley. It's just a cashmere kind of throw. Keeps me a little warm because I'm always cold. And these are a bodysuit from Express, and we have on my Amazon shorts that I link in my bio. So, yes. I hope everybody's doing well. And what else did I want to talk about? I have going on, it's already Thursday. This weekend it's going to be, I'm going to do a live show on Saturday. I'll post that in my comments and I'll link the time. So hopefully I'll see everybody there on Saturday. trying to decide on what time I'm gonna do, so I'm not too sure. And then Sunday, I'm very excited because I got tickets for a Broadway show, and I'm going to go see Dog. Oh my gosh, I forgot the name of it. Anyway, first of all, I do know the name of it. I want to see if you guys know the 1972 movie with Al Pacino, and he played in a movie and takes place in a bank. So if you know the name of the movie, put it down in the comments, let me know. So 1972 movie with Al Pacino. But I'm going to see the Broadway show on Sunday, so I'm very excited about that. Two of my favorite actors are in it. They starred in the show The Bear, so that was really fun. One is John Berthnall, and the other one is Evan Moss. I can't pronounce his last name, but love them both. So can't wait. Looking forward to that. I got something fun to do instead of I'm always working. So I'm just glad to be here. Just really happy to be here. And I'm gonna take a sip of tea. And I'm grateful for everything that I have going on in my life. Even though it is busy and crazy at times, I just sometimes feel like I need to decompress. And by doing that, I come on here to release my stress and anxiety. And that's pretty much it, because yoga is great for your cortisol, your serotonins, and everything like that. It's great for your lower back muscles and all your aches and pains and stuff like that. So probably gonna take an Advil after this, but yeah, I'm just feeling a little melancholy tonight, but all is well. And I just want to say, if you're new to my channel, please, thank you so much for joining. I am so happy you're all here. It means so much to me. My channel just keeps growing and growing, and I'm looking forward to, we have some new things planned for the YouTube. You know, this is really more of a kind of soft soul, obviously it's soft soul yoga by Jody, but it's also where we bring breath into here and we just take it easy on the mat or the shearling rug. That this is also linked. You got to get these. It's the best. And we're gonna start off. Oh, I'm cold. I cannot believe it. Like, that just keeps me so warm. All right. We're gonna sit up straight, and we're gonna start with just some breath. And we want to inhale deep and get it into the core. And we just want to hold it, and then release. And do it very easy. Don't do it fast. We don't want to hurt ourselves. People have done breaths where they pull their back, so just be careful. All right, and here we go. Inhale again. Okay. All right. I want to see something, because now you all know we're going to do something called the dolphin pose. Okay, so the dolphin pose is basically you're going to get up and go into your hand into downward dog, right? And then what you're going to do is you're going to come down here on your forearms and stretch. And see how long you can hold that. And tuck in your tummy. And come down on your knees and stretch. Oh, It feels so good on the lower back. And we're gonna keep our arms here. So your arms are flat like this, and you're gonna come up and stretch. And hold it and down. That, my friend, is called the dolphin pose. We're gonna do some hip rotations. We're gonna loosen up our core. We're gonna hold in our belly button. We're gonna rotate. And we're gonna do our cat cows. Ready? So, okay. Head up, butt out, and do cow. We're gonna come into a rounded position, arch your back tall, and down. And rock. And up. And down. Oh yeah, that feels so good. All right. Loosen it up a little bit. This is what I like to do. I like to bring my knee to my elbow. It kind of stretches out your lower back. And once I do that, I'm gonna shift. And we're gonna shift again to the left. And we're gonna sit and twist a little bit. Oh yeah. And we're gonna sit back and rest. We're gonna stretch our leg out for front roll over and stretch. And I'm going to take a cup of tea. So I'm really looking forward to Memorial Day weekend as well. So I have some of my favorite holidays coming up. Anything with red, white, and blue, I am there celebrating, and I can't wait. So I have a nice long weekend, and then I'm off on Tuesday, so I get like 4 days off. And we're gonna switch our legs, switch sides. Oh yeah, ooh, got a little cramp in that one. And we're gonna stretch it over. Reach and sit tall. We're going to push this out for a nice 15-minute, and we're going to open up our legs and we're going to stretch those out. Yeah. This is kind of fun. I'm going to introduce my rolls in another episode. And I got this, which will be fun, another one. So we'll do those maybe for Saturday. So we're gonna open this up. Very good. And now we're gonna do legs up. I can't do the leg barns, but we're gonna legs up high. And we're gonna hold and we're gonna rock. We're gonna do rocking baby and just rock. Oh yeah. Oh, stretch those legs up. And stretch. And stretch. And hold it. And just listen to the silence. So good. And bridge. And down. That was so good. So I hope you all are having a wonderful Thursday evening, and I'm hoping to see everybody on Saturday. I will give you all the details, and I'm just so glad you were here to do a quick stretch with me, release some tension. I already feel good. I'm gonna drink the rest of my tea. I'm gonna get cozy, and thank you for following me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you hit the next video, and you guys are my biggest supporters, and everybody in this community I just adore. So I will see everybody. Tomorrow's Friday, so I probably will see you Friday, and I'll see you Saturday. Have a good night. Bye. Oh, it's still on. Anyway, sorry.